we have two different lines, the Neptune series and Sentinel series. And for this year, what we are going to introduce is a new HPA system. And here you have the final product with the Mechlabs system installed.
Present the Bstrd series by Rossi and collaboration with Tactical Cape. We designed all the system inside and outside this gun. It's a brushless motor with a reinforced gearbox. All the parts are reinforced or are substituted by aluminium CNC pieces. Inner barrel is made of steel. Hop-up chamber, full CNC aluminium, and rubber maple leaf macaron, 60 degrees, and shoot like this. And it's not full auto because we are in Germany and it's not allowed.